Part 1 of NCERT Exercises and Solutions of Class 5 EVS chapter. From tasting to digesting. Discuss and write. Julan's mouth started watering when she heard the word imli. When does your mouth water? List 5 things you like to eat and describe their taste. I like to eat chocolate, which are sweet. Ice creams are sweet too. Chips are salty. Pickles are salty and spicy. Lemons are sour. Do you like only one kind of taste or different ones? Why? Tasting only one taste makes me bored. So, I like tasting different tastes. Julan put a few drops of lemon juice in Jhumpa's mouth. Do you think we can make out the taste with just a few drops? Yes, with just few drops of sour lemon juice we can make out the taste. If someone were to put a few seeds of saunf on your tongue, would you be able to tell with your eyes closed? How? Yes, even though we don't taste, we can tell by its smell also. How did Jhumpa make out the fried fish? Can you guess the names of certain things only by their smell, without seeing or tasting them? What are these things? Jhumpa could guess the fried fish only by its smell. Yes, I can guess many things by its smell without even seeing, like egg omelette, fish fry, samosas, etc. Has anyone ever told you to hold your nose before taking a medicine? Why do you think they tell you to do this? Yes, I have been told to close the nose and take the medicines. Since, if we don't like the smell of the medicine, we may not take it in. Close your eyes and tell. Collect a few food items having different kinds of taste. Play a game with your friends like Jhumpa and Julan did. Tell your friend to taste the food and ask, how did it taste? What was the food item? The food item taken was chocolate. It tasted sweet. On which part of the tongue could you get the most taste, in front, at the back, on the left or right side of the tongue? In front. Since we put it on tongue first. Which taste could be made out on which part of the tongue? Mark these parts on the picture given. Here is the marked picture. One at a time, put some things to eat in other parts of your mouth, under the tongue, on the lips, on the roof of the mouth. Did you get any taste there? No, we cannot taste like that with altogether of different items. Use a clean cloth to wipe the front part of your tongue so that it is dry. Put somesugar or jaggery there. Could you taste anything? Why did this happen? No, I could not feel the taste since there was no saliva on the tongue. Stand in front of a mirror and look closely at your tongue. How does the surface look? Can you see any tiny bumps on the surface? The surface of the tongue looks rough to see. And yes, I can see tiny bumps on the surface. Tell. If someone asks you to describe the taste of amla or cucumber, you might find it difficult to explain. How would you describe the taste of these? Tomato, onion, saunf, garlic? Think of words that you know or make up your own words to describe the taste. Tomato is sweet and juicy with little sourness. Onion is pungent. Saunf is sweet with good smell. Garlic is bitter with pungent smell. When Jhumpa tasted some of the things, she said, "See, see, see." What do you think she may have eaten? She might have eaten something spicy, maybe a chili. Why don't you make sounds that describe some tastes? From your expressions and sounds, ask your friends to guess what you might have eaten. Slurping sound comes when we eat soup, coffee, noodles. Our expression is yum when we eat ice cream, chocolate shake, and jalebi. Try this together in class. Each of you take a piece of bread, or roti, or some cooked rice. Put it in your mouth, chew 3 to 4 times, and swallow it. Did the taste change as you chewed it? No, the taste did not change. It is the same even after chewing for 3 or 4 times. Now take another piece, or some rice, and chew it 30 to 32 times. Was there any change in the taste after chewing so many times? Yes, the taste changed after chewing so many times. The food seems to be sweet now. Students, this was it for this video. We will cover the remaining NCERT exercises and solutions in the second part. Happy learning!